Samsung's mid-range lineup is about to get a serious power boost. The Galaxy A56 5G is shaping up to be a game-changer, packing features that could put even some flagships to shame. But will it make it to the US this time? And what's with the surprise 45-watt charging? Stick around because this is one device you won't want to miss. The Galaxy A56 is already generating buzz as Samsung's next big contender in the mid-range smartphone market. Slated to go head-to-head with Google's Pixel 8a and even the upcoming Pixel 9a, the A56 is packed with features that could redefine what we expect from a mid-range device. From faster charging to potential flagship-like perks, Samsung seems to be stepping up in a big way. Today, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy A56, including its expected release date, pricing strategy, and the all-important question: will it make its way to the US? Let's get started. While Samsung has yet to officially announce the Galaxy A56, history gives us some strong clues. If we look back, the Galaxy A55 was announced on March 11, 2024, the A54 on March 15, 2023, and the A53 on March 17, 2022. Following this pattern, we can anticipate the A56 announcement in March 2025, with sales likely beginning in early April. However, there's a twist. Last year, Samsung decided not to release the Galaxy A55 in the US, focusing instead on promoting the Galaxy S23 and S23 FE. The reasoning? A small price gap between the models raised concerns about sales cannibalization. Will the A56 suffer the same fate? We'll explore that shortly. The Galaxy A56 isn't just about timing, it's about redefining mid-range expectations. One of the most exciting leaks is its support for 45-watt fast charging, confirmed through the Chinese CCC database under the model number SMA5660. To put this in perspective, the Galaxy A55 supported only 25-watt charging. Even the base Galaxy S24 is capped at 25 watts. This makes the Galaxy A56 the first A-series device to feature 45-watt fast charging, a feature previously limited to select Galaxy F and M models in markets like China and India. Imagine juicing up your phone faster than some flagship models. It's a game-changer for power users. The Galaxy A56 isn't just competing against Samsung's own lineup, it's also taking aim at Google's mid-range champions, the Pixel 8a and the rumored Pixel 9a. With its expected enhancements and flagship-inspired features, the A56 could carve out a niche as the go-to device for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on performance. Samsung's strategy of trickling down flagship features to its mid-range lineup is paying off. In 2024, the A56 is expected to inherit even more flagship perks, like improved camera capabilities and potentially enhanced software features, making it a direct threat to its competitors. One lingering question remains: will the Galaxy A56 make its way to the US market? In 2024, Samsung skipped the Galaxy A55's US release to focus on promoting the Galaxy S23 and S23 FE. With the S24 FE now priced even higher than its predecessor, there's a possibility of a larger price gap, making room for the A56. However, this is still speculation, and Samsung's strategy could go either way. Would you like to see the Galaxy A56 in the US? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback might just catch Samsung's attention. Samsung is clearly making a statement with the Galaxy A56. By introducing features like 45-watt fast charging and blending flagship-level performance into a mid-range package, they're setting new standards in this category. If priced competitively, this device could dominate markets worldwide and steal the spotlight from other mid-range contenders. The Galaxy A56 is shaping up to be a mid-range marvel, but its success will depend on Samsung's pricing, availability, and market strategy. Whether you're a loyal Galaxy fan or simply looking for the best value in a smartphone, this is one device to keep on your radar. So, what do you think? Will the Galaxy A56 live up to the hype? And should Samsung bring it to the US? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on the latest smartphone news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay tech savvy and take care. Peace out.